My name is JC Cologne. I'm the VP of Sales, and the company is called Love Spirit Brands AC. It is a Scandinavian origin spirits brand. Is just making its entry into the United States. We're very excited about 2023 being the year that we are officially here and ready to launch to introduce our brands to the public. Yeah, so I sort of chose this so that you can see it. The Love Spirit brand right now has 5 different SKUs. It has got a vodka, a gin, a rosé, a red and a white wine. The gin and the vodka are made in Sweden. The wines are made in the region of Torres Vedras, Portugal. So it is a mixture of it. In 2024, we are beginning to think and discuss the opportunity of a rum. But right now it's these 5 products that you see here that is going to be the launch for the brand in the US. Yeah, it's a great question. I mean, there's a lot of different reasons. I'll try to summarize the 2 top ones that we tend to feel are the ones that separate us the most from the rest of the spirits that we compete with. And the first is that our products are not made with corn or with potato. They are made with a Swedish winter golden wheat. And so by default, the product is organic, it is gluten-free, and it keeps to our Scandinavian origins. The second is that the organization and the company and its brands are really more than a spirits product. It is really an organization that has a very strong held belief in the genuine inclusion of all parts of society, and that the celebration of the benefits of the diversity of different people of thought and genders and backgrounds that people bring is what makes our society better. And so it is a mission of helping all sorts of global organizations that are underrepresented and not considered, and oftentimes sort of marginalized, right? That the brand wants to help and support. So it's a company that's going well beyond the selling of a spirit, right? Into a mission of making the world better by helping everyone understand that we are just a better society when everyone is included, regardless of your preferences, right? Whether they're religious or political or anything else, right? We are better when we're all together, when we all have a seat at the table. And that's why the name Love Spirit, sort of rings the bell, right? Because we all need to love each other. We all need to respect each other. And if we don't have that in our spirit, it gets very, very difficult as a society to work together. So our main, sort of marketing slogan is everybody needs love, right? And so everything that we do and everything that you'll see with the launch of our product is all around sort of that ethos. We do have an importer. We got product here in the US. We have established a distributor of choice with RNDC and also with the LibDip, but it doesn't mean that we need more, right? I mean, the United States is a much more complex system, as you well know, with a 3-tiered system. We've got control states. And so we are absolutely, as a new and emerging brand, looking for all of that. We're looking for importers, distributors, and more importantly, like everything else, retailers, right? We have yet to get the product into the retail shelf, so that's really, really important. So I think it's a little bit of all of that, right? As a new brand that's starting. Yeah, I think the biggest thing when you have an opportunity to see and taste our product is you will see that because of the ingredients that we make in our Scandinavian origins and the location of where the crop and the wheat is grown, because of our long summers and the long summer days that our crop gets, we've been able to create with our sommelier, Solveig Sommerstrong, who's our product development director, a very, very super premium product that we want to market at a mid-tier price, right? We want people to enjoy the best of the Scandinavian quality and not having to pay that premium price, making it affordable, right? As if we're you know, a brand that's all about the mission of inclusivity and everything. We've got to make sure the product is available to everyone and not a product that is so priced out that only certain sections of society can afford it. So we're gonna give our consumers a super premium product at a very, very affordable mid-tier price that everyone can enjoy.